Hello everyone, my name is Reethika and I am a final year computer science and engineering student studying at SR University Warangal. And I'm happy to share that I have been placed into highly reputed companies, those are Infosys and Cognizant. This achievement has been possible due to continuous guidance and support from my faculty mentors, friends and family. I'm forever grateful to SR University for providing such an environment where we can develop our skills, academic excellence and also have chance for innovation. Our university mainly focuses on career aspirations as well as experiential learning that has helped me to grow both professionally as well as personally. A heartfelt thanks to my parents for trusting me and also for selecting such a good university for me in Telangana state, which played a significant role in shaping my new journey as well as preparing for me future challenges. I look forward to begin this new chapter of my life with full of confidence and a commitment to continuous learning and growth.